Nathan Cox here, guys. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Around the Home. Today we're going to be taking apart this very popular box fan and showing you guys how you can take it apart to clean it. Okay, now I have a much older video, and I'll go ahead and put the link up. You'll see that on the top right of your screen, of me taking my leaf blower and blowing this thing out, okay? Easiest way to clean out a box fan is just put it in the yard and hit it with a leaf blower, okay? It's kind of fun too. But some people really want to clean. They want to be able to wipe off the, just everything. They want to be able to take the blades apart and this and that. And this wind machine from Lasko is a real popular unit just because of the way it moves. But you see, I already started taking it apart, and that's what we're going to do today. So you got the two screw caps here for the adjustable base. So you can pop those off and just flex this over. Okay. I know a lot of people have been waiting for me to make this video because a lot of people have this fan and they wanted to see how to really take it apart. All right, now right at top here, there's going to be a couple of Phillips screws on this little handle here. And for most of you, this might be easier just to use a regular screwdriver. And then there's going to be 4 screws, I believe. I counted right. Okay, you'll see them indented here on the back side, here and here, and then here and here. So we're just going to take those out. And as far as when I said it might be easier for a lot of you to use a screwdriver, it's not. It's when you're really putting it back together, because sometimes it's really easy to strip these out if you're using a drill. Cross thread them, I mean, you know. So a lot of times it's a little overkill if you're just not used to putting stuff together like this. Okay, sorry, I almost forgot. You got to pop the little plastic handle off first, and then show release. Okay, and you're gonna catch all the little screws, or try to, and that's really it right there, guys. We just did it. So I asked some people that made comments in the video. The other one used a leaf blower. They're like, you know, I have this fan. Can you show me how to take it apart to clean it? Oh my goodness, I don't think this thing comes apart at all. You can see right there, it actually comes apart very quickly and very easily. And obviously, after I clean it, which I'm not going to worry about taking the time to show you in this video, and just waste your time, it just goes right back together the same way we took it apart. Okay, so you can always just replay the video if you missed a step. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, we do have Amazon links in the description down below. If you want to get one of these fans or other things like that, please take a moment, and I'll put it over here. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, which I have so many other videos on so many different other subjects and other fun stuff. And we have some additional videos for you to check out right here while you're still here. Guys, thanks again so much for watching. Please share this video, and you have a great one.